Brother Masons, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Nenari Gulas, and I am honored to present today the biography and Masonic journey of our esteemed Hiram awardee, Worshipful Brother Ricardito Voluntad Ignao, who we lovingly call Ricky. Worshipful Brother Ricky was born on April 25, 1965 in Cavite, Philippines, to the Región Voluntad and the late Ricardo Ignao. He was the fourth among the 6 siblings of 2 girls and 4 boys. On March 15, 1987, he married his high school sweetheart. Oh no, childhood sweetheart, the former Julie Alvin. They were blessed with 3 children. His eldest son, RJ, works for the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, and is married to Roselle, a nurse. His daughter, Josa, works for San Francisco Police Department and is soon to be married to Antonio Aguilar, who also works for SFPD. His youngest son, Patrick, is a real estate agent. Worshipful Brother Ricky is a proud grandfather to his 2 cherished grandchildren, Juju and Armando. We have all witnesses to Worshipful Brother Ricky's enchanting performance with his saxophone. Do you know that we all have Sister Julie to thank? When he was 12, Worshipful Brother Ricky joined his hometown marching band to learn to play musical instruments. His parents could only provide him with an old clarinet that he has a hard time playing, so he has to quit the band. After some time, he rejoined the band playing a trumpet, this time a gift from his grandfather. A fate would have it, a beautiful majorette also joined the band. This beautiful lady captivated Worshipful Brother Ricky's heart. A source told me that Worshipful Brother Ricky was almost got kicked out of the band because he often lost concentration while playing his trumpet whenever this beautiful majorette appeared. Eventually, he switched to a saxophone, a more romantic instrument, and finally captured the heart of Sister Julie. After completing his secondary education, he was awarded a full scholarship at the Technological University of the Philippines, or TUP, due to his talent for playing musical instruments. It is at TUP where he completed his education and obtained a degree in drafting technology. He immigrated to the United States in 1995 and worked for the city and county of San Francisco for almost 20 years, 16 years of which was with the Sheriff's Office. With a certification from the City College of San Francisco and Local 39 Stationary Engineers Joint Apprenticeship Program, and a couple with exceptional work ethic, he climbed the career ladder and retired as acting building and ground supervisor in the Sheriff's Office in 2020. He petitioned to be a member of Francis Drake Lodge on April 5, 2013. Was initiated on May 24, 2013, passed to the degree of Fellowcraft, and was raised to the sublime degree of Master Mason on November 15, 2013. I witnessed the entire journey of Worshipful Brother Ricky, from a petitioner to becoming an integral member of this lodge. As soon as he joined, he became a permanent member of our kitchen crew and displayed his excellent cooking skills. For the information of our brothers who are not members of the South Team but continue to help with food preparation, Worshipful Brother Ricky is the 5th member of our permanent kitchen crew to receive the prestigious Hiram Award. As we all know, a Hiram Awardee is someone who demonstrates exceptional and selfless service to his lot above and beyond the norm, simply doing the job as a master or an officer of the lodge, not automatically qualify one as an award.